Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with December Daily 2024, days number 3 through 5. So, on day number 3, I took Lorelai to gymnastics. She went to gymnastics last year, and I want to say she quit this year in 2025. I think around like March or April. She kind of got bored with it, I think. She is a pretty advanced girl and she kind of needs one-on-one help is what I'm thinking, because the routines and things that they would have the little kids do were kind of boring even for me. So but anyway, last December she was doing it every Monday or Tuesday. I don't remember. I think it was Tuesdays. So on this particular Tuesday, I took her and took some photos. She picked up really well on the daily routines that they would have her do. And they all had to take turns. I think there was like three kids per team that did it, or maybe 4 kids. It kind of depended on the day. So they had like 8 to 10 kids in the class. And so she would have to sit out for a little bit of time and just watch her friends doing it. And I think that was just a little too boring for her. She needs to have activity the whole time. So I took a couple pictures of her doing a few of the things that she learned that day. And I am going to be using the snow and cocoa embellishments as accents on these 2 pages. So then on day number 4, I believe it's another daycare photo of Max playing with some friends. Or I think they might have been doing some work at one of the tables or something, it looks like. So that was just one simple photo for that day. And then you can also see that there are lines to do some journaling. And I actually haven't sat down and done the journaling, I don't think. So probably should find this December Daily album and get the journaling done, because honestly, I really don't remember what I was going to write on these days. So I'm a little bit bummed that I didn't do this back when I was scrapbooking these pages. But oh well, I guess it's okay. So here I am trying to use this bigger snowflake. And this one, I believe, actually came in like a pack of 25 I got from like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, probably on a discount. So I'm just gluing down all of these cute little snowflakes. And it looks like I'm also going to bring in this tag, and that would be from an older October Afternoon collection, because October Afternoon is not around anymore, which is quite sad. But that has kind of happened to a lot of bigger named companies that you thought it would never happen, that they went out of business. And they did. But again, it is what it is. So I am also going to add some of the Spiegel Mom Scraps sequins in a couple places. And I think we are getting pretty close to the end of these 3 pages. One of the things that I do like about this album is it makes scrapbooking a busy month easy. It's a smaller traveler's notebook album, and I don't feel like I have to make an extravagant page to go into this album. It can just be easy and quick, and I feel like I've accomplished a lot by getting it done. So I really do enjoy the easy December Daily albums, and I don't always make it easy, which sometimes is the problem with getting started and getting it done. So the last few years, I've been trying to make it easier on myself so that I can actually get it finished. I think the only year that I don't have a December daily album for in the last 3 years is 2023. And it is December 7th as I'm filming this, and I haven't started this year's December album yet. I think I might wait until I'm done with all of these videos to kind of figure out exactly what I'm going to do with each page. Now here I have moved on to day number 5, and this is a picture of my, at the time she was 5-year-old stepdaughter Lorelai, and she fell asleep on my lap as we were watching TV or watching a movie or something that night. And the Christmas tree is right behind me, and so Ashley snapped a few pictures and they just turned out really cute. So I printed off this one of Lorelai and I am going to keep this page pretty simple. I think all I do with this one is just matte that green background and then glue this house down. And that is going to be it for today's December daily pages. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful December. Let me know in the comments below if you are doing a December daily album this year, or if you are just keeping it simple and just doing normal everyday scrapbooking in your album. Thanks for watching. Bye.